Give us some reasons that you'd come back 5 times.
Quality vehicle to begin with.
Okay.
We've been very pleased and very happy with each and every car we've owned. And then you throw James on top of that and it's like icing on the cake.
He's a nice guy and he takes care of you. If you got a problem, he'll fix it for you.
He said, okay, when you come in and you're getting your oil change, call me ahead of time and I'll get you a car so you don't have to sit around and wait.
He calls afterwards and make sure you're doing good.
Yeah.
It's what you wanted, what you know.
Everything okay with the car?
He doesn't try to hardball you. He tells you exactly what the car is, and he lets you make up your mind.
He comes and lays everything out on the table and tells you, works every step through with you, shows you all the features in the car, how to work it.
As my alter ego, Santa Claus, I only drive the sleigh one night a year. The rest of the time, I'm driving a Hyundai.